Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mercedes supports smartphone integration, Android Auto for Android or CarPlay for iPhone, because unsupported systems won't show Google Maps. Once confirmed, make sure Google Maps is installed and updated on your phone and that location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi are enabled. Next, choose connection type. Plug a certified USB cable into the car's USB port for wired mode, or prepare to pair via the head unit's Bluetooth/Wi-Fi settings. Proceed to the vehicle menu now. Now establish the actual link. On the Mercedes infotainment, go to Phone or Device Settings and choose Add Device. If you're using a wired connection, plug in and accept all permission prompts on the phone so Android Auto or CarPlay can access maps, contacts, and audio. If wireless, complete the Bluetooth pairing and any Wi-Fi setup the head unit requests. Once paired, the system usually auto-launches Android Auto or CarPlay. If not, manually open it and then tap Google Maps to start navigation. Finish by testing a simple route to verify turn-by-turn guidance, voice prompts, and that touchscreen or steering wheel controls operate with Google Maps. Make sure audio routing sends media to car speakers and navigation prompts loud enough to hear. If you run into problems, no map, audio missing, or connection drops, restart the phone and the head unit, then try repairing or switch to a certified USB cable. This resolves most handshake and permission errors quickly. If persistent, check for firmware or app updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.